Hey guys, welcome to my 12 Days of Christmas series. My name's Rachel. And today I'm going to take you behind the scenes as I do a bunch of photo shoots for the holidays. If you can't tell, I just finished one right now. But this isn't the one that we start with. This is actually the one that I end with. So let's bring you along to see my sister. But before we do that, I just want to ask if you could please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and if you could answer today's question of the day, that would be super fantastic. It means the world to me that you clicked on this video, so let's get into it. Hey, quick interruption. I wanted to let you know that if you live in Woodstock, Ontario and the surrounding areas, and you're looking to buy or sell your home, that I'm currently working on my real estate license, and pay attention in the new year. Hey guys, so this is my baby sister Lissy.
Hi!
And she's gonna be hanging out with me while we do a little photo shoot.
Yeah.
And yeah, today's theme is cozy. If you can't tell by our little matching cable knit sweaters. I've come up with a couple ideas for photos here in my apartment, and they're Christmas tree related. So what we're thinking about doing is like maybe putting the star on the tree, maybe wrapping herself in twinkle lights.
Love that idea.
Right? And what was the third one? Do you remember?
Drinking hot cocoa or wine while looking at the tree.
Oh yes, that's right. So we're gonna do just that. So we always have this sort of like system when we take pictures together.
Yeah.
We do this all the time. We've been doing it since we were children, honestly.
Like mainly in our parents' exercise room because it was like the perfect white background for us.
But here we are, a little bit older, a little bit more practiced, and I'm gonna show you how we do it.
Oh yeah.
Starts with a cell phone. I have it on a Gorilla tripod, so it's the Joby brand. So that way, if I wanted to take pictures of both of us together, essentially what you can do is you can just wrap it around something, and then you grab a little remote and you can take pictures from a distance.
Or life hack, if you have an Apple Watch, you can hook it up on there and you can actually see everything that's going on the watch as well, so you know you're posing and everything too.
Which is, let's be honest, a lot better than a little remote.
Yeah.
The twinkle light has been acquired. Can you see it? Not really. That's kind of the downside to doing a photo like this during the day.
Yeah.
You can't really tell.
Would these ones be better?
I don't know, let's find out. Just like wrap me like a Christmas tree.
That's not gonna work there.
Literally got the lights, just the battery packs just sitting
In her pants.
Yeah, they're just in my pants.
Like a microphone.
Yeah, exactly.
Like, you know on TV when they have the microphones just like casually hiding in their clothes that's not that well hidden?
Yeah,
Yeah.
same idea. So, I got a little twinkle twinkle, little little star!
Can I rewrap you?
Yes, please. Oh, it all just fell off. Maybe we do like, I can't actually see it, so I need your judgment. How's that look?
Not good. I'm here. I will take a picture. Let me know, because I'm not sure how I feel about them kind of being in the middle like that.
Okay.
I mean, I think that you look really cute.
Yeah, I kind of like it.
Okay. You look really cute in that picture. That was such a good, like, test photo. What? How do you like the, where I'm taking the picture? Like, do you want it in this area? Do you want it higher?
I kind of just really want the Christmas tree behind me, mostly.
Okay. So, like, for example,
Yeah.
test shoot number 2.
I think that's good.
Okay. What do we think about closing the curtain? Because the light's coming from behind.
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay.
I'm all tangled. I have an idea.
Mm-hmm.
If you go into my closet, I have a hat bin. There's a Santa hat in there.
It's a Santa hat.
Do we think we have some good ones?
I definitely think you have some good
Okay.
ones in there.
Now we gotta untangle me.
Yes.
A little trick that Lissy taught me, you take the picture upside down with your phone. because then the camera's lower and then you get a better angle.
Okay, are these good?
I think so.
I'm like, I don't feel like I need this many photos. That's my favorite.
Fake Christmas tree decorating.
I look like I'm scared in this photo and I'm hugging the tree for support.
Do you have any tips and tricks of the trade of taking Instagram photos, Lucy? This is the microphone. This is my imaginary mic.
Okay. You're putting me on the spot here.
I know.
Move around frequently and try to have fun with it. Because if you're being too still, it's not gonna look good.
I love it. Beautiful. Thank you very much, Lucy.
You're welcome.
We're about to go to my parents' house, so we're gonna grab all of this tech and we're gonna go for a little short cruise and see what we can come up with there.
Can you smell this candle?
Yeah.
Let me smell them all. I love this one. Like, I want that so bad.
It smells good.
It's so good. It's cinnamon. No, it's clementine
spice.
So good.
Now that's just going through all of our parents' stuff. So on that note, we have arrived at our second location. So this is our surroundings. And the reason we picked this is one, we've got the fireplace
That isn't currently working.
yeah, so we didn't really think about that part. Also, second reason why we decided to do this location. Look at our parents' new sofa. This little love seat here, the curvature, I'm obsessed. It's so cute.
It's so cute.
Doesn't this give such a cozy vibe? Like, aesthetic. Her? Yes, I will take a medium pepperoni and can you put some onions and sausage on that too? Cool. Thank you. See you in 10. Bye. I don't know.
I actually started questioning it. I'm like, is she? I think she is.
Look at the camera, baby. Okay. Shh, don't tell her mom. Don't tell my mom we're stealing the cup. Also, what is Happy doing in the window? Yatta! Cozy photo shoot. Success! 2 more to go. So I just finished my photo shoot out there. Here's the issue I'm running into. I need snow for this photo shoot. And there's not a whole lot of it. Today is like mid to late November. Let me check the actual date. So it's the 21st of November. And in southern Ontario where I am right now, we don't have a lot of snow. Like in Woodstock, the weather is a little bit strange where in the surrounding areas, you'll get a lot of snow, but then here, it will get mist. Or just like things of that nature, where it's just not consistent with the areas around us. So when I woke up this morning with full intentions to do this photo shoot, and I looked out and I saw there was no snow, it's proving to be a little bit more challenging because I'm just driving around the city all day trying to find locations that work. So I just stopped by my parents' place and I visited the cats and I got changed, hung out with my mom for a little bit. So now I'm in this dress outfit and I'm doing the party photo shoot right now. Because the last one I just did was like the outdoor photo shoot, but I really wanted to get a cool idea, or I had this really cool idea of going out to like a bridge or something like that and taking photos when it was like snowy, and that might make for a really cool party outfit photo shoot, but when there's no snow it's proving difficult. So I'm gonna continue to drive around and see if I can find somewhere that works. There may or may not be snow, but I'll check in with you shortly. So, the amount of times that my camera fell down while I was out there, I don't think this is a great idea to do on my own. Oh wow, I'm out of breath because I'm just so cold. Plus, my hands are so cold. This would work so much better if I wasn't doing it alone, but the fact that I am, this might have to be an indoor shoot. So I just got home and I'm freezing for starters. Secondly, I need to figure out where I'm going to take this photo shoot because outside did not work. I think it could have worked if I had someone helping me out, but the fact that I was all by myself trying to do this and it was freezing and there wasn't any snow, so it wasn't even really the look I was going for to begin with, I almost scratched the whole idea. Can't really do that. So my game plan is going to be to find a location here in my apartment that'll work, something that's going to suffice for the photo shoot. Maybe I could do something in the evening since it's a party look and do it off my balcony like I did for my Halloween photo shoot. Because that one turned out really well. And yeah, wish me luck. Hey guys, so the sun has now set, as you can obviously tell because it's super dark. Sorry, I'm gonna make sure it's not dark for long. I have the ring light literally above my head as I'm crouching on the floor. This is actually the ring light here. So, here's the plan. I decided I was going to do another photo shoot off of my balcony, kind of like I did, like I mentioned before, for my Halloween photo shoot. And yeah, I suppose that's all I have to say about it. Let me just adjust all the angles and start taking the pictures. Here is the cape. I've had a lot of people have mixed feelings about this cape. So like, tell me what you think. I think it's very festive and Christmassy and I love this like feather detail. I think it's super cute. But yeah, let me get into this. I'm also gonna turn off those lights because I don't know how to stop them from flickering like this. Sorry, you'll probably notice that throughout this series. Speaking of, if you know how to get it to stop flickering with lights and recording on the camera, please let me know because in the future I'd like to be able to not have this issue. Can't see me from there. Okay, so it's freezing out there and I've had enough of that. I'm sure there's definitely a couple good photos in there, so double thumbs up. And a huge thank you for watching today's video. I'm really excited for you to see all of the videos in my 12 Days of Christmas series. Have a great day, guys. Bye.